In this video, we are going to solve another problem on the topic of bilinear transformation. Previous video is uploaded, kindly check it before coming to this problem. So, like we did in the previous problem, the z1 is always z and z2 is w1 is always w. Now z2, z3, z4 will be this, and w2, w3, w4 will be this value. So z2 is -1 and z3 is I and z4 is 1. Now w2 is 1, w3 is I and w4 is -1. Now this is the formula z1 minus z2. This you have to remember, z into z3 minus z4 divided by z1 minus z4 into z3 minus z2 equal to w1 minus w2 into w3 minus w4 divided by w1 minus w4 into w3 minus w2. Now substitute the values. So z1 is z, z2 is -1, already minus is there, so +1 into z3 is I, z4 is 1, z1 is z, z4 is 1, z3 is I, z2 is -1, already minus is in the formula, so +1 equal to w1 is w, w2 is 1, w3 is I, w4 is -1, already minus is there in the formula, so +1, w1 is w, w4 is -1, already minus is there, so +1, and w3 is I, w2 is 1. Now without simplifying, we are going to solve it by compendo and dividendo method. We can solve after, we can put compendo and dividendo method after solving also, but I am here solving before the expanding this. So by compendo and dividendo. Before that, I explain compendo and dividendo, which is numerator plus denominator by numerator minus denominator. This is compendo and dividendo. Z plus 1 into I minus 1 plus z minus 1. Now the denominator z minus 1 into I plus 1 divided by. Now write the same, but the sign will change. That's all. Minus z minus 1 into I plus 1 equal to w minus 1 into I plus 1 plus the denominator w plus 1 into I minus 1 divided by, just change the sign, minus w plus 1 into I minus 1. Now we are going to multiply inside, z into I z, z into -1 minus z, plus 1 into I 1 into -1 -1, plus z into I z, z into 1 z, -1 into I minus 1 into -1 1 into -1 1. So here that if we solve the numerator, we don't want to solve the denominator again, just write the same but change the sign, minus iz plus z minus I minus 1 equal to, here I into w, w into 1 w, minus 1 into I minus 1 into 1 minus 1, plus w into I w, w into -1 minus w, 1 into I 1 into -1 1 divided by, write the same but just change the denominator, just change the sign. Now write the same without brackets. In the denominator, bring the minus sign into the bracket, minus iz minus z plus I plus 1. Now look to cancel the terms. Here plus z is there, here minus z, plus I minus I, here plus iz minus iz, and minus 1 plus 1. Similarly here also. Now plus w minus w plus I minus I. Here iw minus iw and plus 1 minus 1. So write the remaining i's. Now 2iz is there, so 2iz minus 2 by here minus 2iz plus 2i. 2i minus 2iz equal to, here 2iw is there, minus 2 by 2w minus I. Write here 2 is common on all numerators and denominators, so write it as common. Here 2z. So cancel the 2. Now cross multiply w minus I into iz minus 1 equal to I minus z into iw minus 1. Now iwz minus w minus I square z plus I equal to I square w minus I minus iwz, here plus z. Here iwz minus w plus z plus I. Here minus I square is plus 1, so no, here minus 1 into w minus w, here this will become plus, so there is already minus there, minus I minus iwz plus z. Here whichever term is having same sign, cancel it, because if it goes to other side it will become cancel, so we can cancel here itself. Plus z and plus z is there, and minus w is there. So bring the iwz to here and this I to this side, so iwz plus iwz will become 2iwz equal to, this I will go here and become minus 2i. Here 2i and 2i cancel, here minus 1 will be there, so answer is minus 1 by z. This is the answer. Link will be given in the description, kindly check it.